Hey everybody, this is Emily, and I was gonna say I'm Emmylou Arts, but I meant to say I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. Welcome! So today I am going to show you how I set up or created my own YouTube journal for 2019 and 2020. So stay tuned because it's flippin' awesome and just what I need. I'm such a dork. Please don't click away. All right. So guys, let me zoom in so you can see this bad boy. All right, so I've been having a planner crisis. I know that all of you planner people can hear me on this. And also, if you can hear a humming in the background, it's a space heater pointed at my feet because my journaling nook is in our basement. And well,
it's cold as a witch's tit down here.
And if you also hear some like bass thumping, it's because my husband and my daughter have Alexa like bumping Christmas music upstairs. So I just thought I'd steal away for a second and try and tell you.
Shit, I turned her on.
Off, Alexa. Alexa, off. She's like Voldemort, she who must not be named. Anyway, focus.
You've got new subscribers. You can't make them think that you are this person, this idiot.
All right, so, this is this journal. This was a little thing. It's from Studio O. My husband got it for me when he was on a work trip, and he picked me this up. It was my Valentine's present this year. My Pilot Metropolitan fountain pen and this cute little journal. I love this little journal, and I hadn't until now found a reason or a use for it. But in my planner crisis, I could not come up with a planner that worked for me for YouTube stuff because what I needed was very specific. I wanted to have the 12 months. I'll take this out. I wanted to have the 12 months so that all I could do was make a mark on the particular day when I uploaded a video. Sorry, this wasn't even in frame. Make a mark on the day, like either get a sticker, or what I'm actually planning on doing is using a little piece of washi tape. But for when I upload a video, and I hand drew all of this because it's an empty notebook. So if it's wonky as hell, that's why. Like it's not computerized, all by hand. So it was, my husband was like, what are you doing? Because I was sitting at the kitchen island yesterday, like making lines for like 5 hours. I was like, well, I'm making a YouTube planner. And he's like, well, isn't there one you can buy? And I was like, yes, but nothing like matches, you know, what I need. And he's like, okay, well, have fun. And he came back like an hour later and he's like, are you still drawing lines? I was like, yes. But the weird thing is I could not be happier. I was happy as a lark, just measuring out lines, writing numbers. It's something planner people understand. I don't know. It's just, you just get in like a Zen zone, I'm telling you. So it wasn't that bad. And I knew that I would have exactly what I wanted. And then after I set it all up, I realized that what I set up was almost exactly like this thing that I had from Erin Condren. I had this monthly Erin Condren, but I digress. That is not what this is. But I realized afterwards that it was similar and that would make a great YouTube planner, but I had not thought of that. And I didn't want to spend $40 because I already had this beautiful notebook and I was trying to be responsible. And you have no idea how many times I almost ordered a Hobonichi Weeks. How many yen equals how many US dollar? I was like, Emily, just forget it. Just get a grip. You do not need 3 Hobonichis the first year that you've tried one. So I said, make it work. Make it work with what you have. And I did, and I'm very happy with it. So this notebook is a plain notebook with lines on it. And what I did, this is the entrance page, the beginning spread. And I had these little half, I labeled my Art Nook cart drawers with the adhesive pockets from Target. And I had cut them down in half, and I had the rest of the label pocket. So I stuck them in here to make little pockets where I could put a little piece of, like a little sticky notepad, some paper clip things. This little guy who's just so cute. Oh, I had him backwards. He was from an order that I got from Malaysia, from Simple Heart Studios. I ordered some stickers. Here's another little pocket, and then these stickers, I just used up the rest of the stickers that I had from a Webster's Pages journaling, like scrapbook paper kit. It had stickers, it had papers, and some journaling cards, I think. And that's just got 2 pieces of washi on it. This plus one, it's actually watercolor plus signs that look like this. And I was actually planning on just using one, like tearing off one plus sign and putting that in the box if I posted a video that day. So like if I posted a video that day, like I would obviously get the other ones off, so it was just one. But that's what I was planning, because I was like, well, I can get specific YouTube stickers, but that's silly because I have so much washi tape, and I think this would be cute. So this is also from Simple Heart Studio. So anyways, this front pocket, I just wanted to, you know, have pockets and be inspirational. And then I made an index, and I ended up doing 2 years. So this is the 2019 index, and I did count out the pages and number them. So I've got monthly calendar and a neighboring notes page for each month. I could have done the calendar this way, but I just had a little bit more room with it this way. So I'll show you all those months. And like you saw in the index, I already went through and labeled what page that each month is on. So there's December, and then after that I made a YouTube video topics list, and then I made a little checkbox so I could check when I filmed that video and put it up. And then I just stuck washi tape in here. And this I have like as much pages as I want. See, that's what I was running into trouble with the different setup of planners, is that I just needed note-taking room. I wanted to be able to make lists and then kind of, you know, have one central location where all of my thoughts on YouTube, video ideas, brainstorming was dumped. And if I get to start in the future, like monetizing my videos at some point, you know, that's a dream, but not because I want to make money off of YouTube, but this is not my full-time job by any means, me and my 500 subscribers. No, I'm actually a neonatal intensive care nurse. This is my hobby. This is my fun. I love it. But I think it would be cool to have something coming in from it, because I can put it back into the channel and back into getting better equipment so that my videos are better, and getting more stuff to review for you guys and to be creative with, to give you some inspiration and ideas. So if you're thinking about subscribing, please do, because it does help me. YouTube doesn't make it easy for small creators, so I can use all the help I can get. So if you're still here, then you obviously are partly crazy. So hit that subscribe button and keep coming back for more. All right, so that's that. And then there ended up being 187 pages, I counted. So I just made half for 2019. So I have plenty of room for notes, brainstorming. I really don't think I'll need more than this. If I do, then lesson learned. I can, you know that I can move on from something else. And then and page 91 starts my index for 2020. Now, you might be wondering, why isn't the whole index up front? Well, because I only gave myself 4 pages or whatever for this index, and that was obviously not enough. So I just put a little notation here on page 91 is where my 2020 index starts. And that's why I kind of separated it into 2 separate chunks, 2019 and 2020. Remember when 2020 used to sound so crazy, like it was so far away, and we still don't have flying cars? At any rate, this is the last half, and it looks just like 2019. The January 2020 with neighboring notes, those all look the same. And I wasn't planning on this being super decorative, but I just slapped down some of this washi on January because I thought it was cute and pretty. And then after that, I made another YouTube video topics page right after this, the end of December 2020, so I can use that as much as I need to. And then it's just more notes pages, guys. So, I mean, it's nothing like groundbreaking, but it's exactly what I needed. And I was able to add, with what I have, some fun little add-ons, like this little pen loop. It was a sticky pen loop that I got from, I want to say Michael's, and it came in a set of 2. There was a plain black one and then this pink heart one. So I had it, and I stuck it on here so I could carry a pen with me, and then I made a little pocket using my double-sided tape and just a piece of scrapbook paper that I thought was cute, kind of went with this little pinky peachy theme, so that I can stick other, if I did buy stickers or, whatever, then I could have a place to store them back here. So that is that, guys. That's my YouTube planner. I'm excited. I think it's going to keep me organized. It's going to keep me, on track. And, I'm hoping that I have more and more to track, and that we just keep growing as a channel and as a fun group of planner and art and junk journaling friends. So I hope that this was helpful and inspires you to use something that you already have instead of spending some money that you don't need to spend. So with that, I hope you have a great holiday and a great rest of the month. I will see you again soon. Bye.